I am so happy today, Ben.
Why are you so happy, my friend?
I finally saved $5,000.
That is a lot of money, Alex.
I need to go to the restroom. Wait here.
This is very easy. And click. It is finished.
Loan approved. $10,000.
Alex, we are going to the beach next month.
Yes. You must come with us.
I can come. I have my savings now. Who is calling me from a private number? Hello, this is Alex speaking.
Mr. Alex, you missed your first payment of $1,000.
What? I do not have a loan. You have the wrong person.
We have your ID and your signature. Pay the money now, or we will call the police.
This is not possible. Please, work. Please.
I am sorry, sir. Your card is empty. There is no money.
All my savings. Gone? Legal notice. Final warning. Someone stole my life. I don't know what to do.
Do not worry, Alex. I can help you check your bank history.
I do not understand. I never signed those papers.
Look at this. Your money moved 2 weeks ago.
That was the day we were at the cafe.
Who was with you at the cafe that day?
Only Ben. But Ben is my best friend.
I love my new life. This is great.
That is a very nice watch, Ben. Is it new?
Oh, this? No, it is an old watch from my uncle.
I never saw it before. And you have a new phone, too.
Why are you asking so many questions, Alex?
Because someone stole my money, Ben. I am in big trouble.
That is terrible. I am so sorry to hear that.
The bank says the money moved when we were together at the cafe.
Are you saying I stole it? I am your friend.
Alex, Daniel told us about your money. Are you okay?
We want to help you. We are a team.
I think Ben is lying to me. He has many new things.
Ben? No, he would not do that to you.
Wait. I saw Ben at the bank yesterday. He looked very nervous.
I need to know the truth.
100, 200, 300. Not bad at all. 4, 5, 600. I think I'm gonna be rich.
Oh no, Ben. Why?
Tomorrow, I will leave this city. No one will find me.
I have the evidence now. I am going inside. I must tell the police everything.
We are right behind you, Alex. You are doing the right thing.
It is time to fix this. Please look at this video, officer.
This is very clear evidence, Alex.
Can you stop him? He is leaving the city tomorrow.
We will find him. Do not worry.
Thank you, officer.
I need to move faster. The bus leaves at 5 in the morning. Goodbye, Alex. You are too slow. Is someone there?
There he is. He has my money.
The police are 2 minutes away.
Alex, what are you doing here? I am sorry, Alex. I was desperate.
Being desperate is not an excuse to hurt your friends.
We have the police report now, Mr. Alex.
Can you cancel the debt now?
Yes. Because it was fraud, you do not have to pay the $10,000.
Huh. Thank you so much. My life is back. It is finally over. My money is back. Today is a new beginning.
I'm not dealing with this anymore.
A toast to Alex. You were very brave.
We are so happy you are safe now.
True friends always help each other.
Thank you. I know who my real friends are now. I learned a big lesson. Never leave your ID alone.
That is true. We must be careful with our personal information.
And always check your bank account every week.
Trust is good, but safety is important.
Yes.
Indeed. I am sad for Ben. He lost everything for a little money. But I will not let this change my heart. I will still be a good person. One black coffee, please. I am in control now.
Where are we going next?
To the beach. It is time for a vacation.
I am ready. Let's go.
So excited.